Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into the fascinating world of laser technology and its transformative impact on the energy sector. We'll explore how advanced laser solutions are revolutionizing the maintenance of renewable energy installations, particularly in the cleaning of solar panels and wind turbines. So, let's start the video! The role of laser technology in the energy sector. Laser technology has become a game changer in the energy sector, offering unparalleled precision and efficiency in maintenance tasks. One of the most significant applications of lasers is in the cleaning of solar panels and wind turbines. Traditional cleaning methods often involve water, chemicals, and manual labor, which can be both time-consuming and costly. In contrast, laser cleaning uses focused beams of light to remove dirt, debris, and other contaminants without the need for water or chemicals, making it an eco-friendly and efficient solution. Applications of laser technology. 1. Cleaning solar panels. Solar panels are exposed to the elements, leading to the accumulation of dust, bird droppings, and other contaminants that can significantly reduce their efficiency. Laser cleaning offers a non-invasive method to maintain the cleanliness of solar panels, ensuring they operate at maximum capacity. The precision of laser beams allows for thorough cleaning without damaging the delicate surface of the panels. 2. Maintaining wind turbines. Wind turbines, particularly their blades, are prone to dirt, salt, and other pollutants that can affect their aerodynamics and efficiency. Laser cleaning can effectively remove these contaminants, enhancing the performance and lifespan of the turbines. By keeping the blades clean, lasers help maintain the optimal energy output of wind farms. 3. Oil and gas industry. The oil and gas industry also benefits significantly from laser technology. Lasers are used for cutting, welding, and decommissioning operations, providing precise and efficient solutions. For instance, laser cutting is employed to dismantle old pipelines and structures safely, reducing the risk of accidents and environmental hazards. Additionally, laser welding offers high-strength, leak-proof joints essential for pipeline integrity. Real-world examples. 1. Solar farms. In large solar farms, the efficiency of each panel is crucial to the overall energy output. A solar farm in the desert implemented laser cleaning technology to combat the frequent dust storms that significantly impacted panel efficiency. The results were remarkable. Laser cleaning restored up to 98% of the panel's original efficiency, significantly boosting the farm's energy production and reducing maintenance costs. 2. Offshore wind farms. Offshore wind farms face unique challenges, including salt deposits and marine growth. A major offshore wind farm adopted laser cleaning for its turbines, resulting in a 15% increase in energy output. The precise and efficient cleaning process also reduced the frequency of manual maintenance, leading to substantial cost savings and improved operational efficiency. 3. Oil and gas pipelines. In the North Sea, an oil company used laser cutting technology to decommission outdated oil rigs. The precision of laser cutting allowed for safe and efficient dismantling, minimizing the environmental impact and ensuring compliance with safety regulations. This innovative approach reduced decommissioning costs by 30% and improved safety standards. Benefits of laser technology. 1. Maximized energy output. Clean solar panels and wind turbine blades are essential for maximizing energy output. Laser cleaning ensures that these surfaces remain free of contaminants, allowing them to operate at peak efficiency. This leads to higher energy production and better returns on investment for renewable energy installations. 2. Cost-effective maintenance. Traditional cleaning methods can be labor-intensive and require significant resources, such as water and chemicals. Laser cleaning, on the other hand, is a non-contact process that minimizes downtime and reduces the need for consumables. This translates to lower maintenance costs and increased profitability for energy companies. 3. Environmental sustainability. Laser cleaning is an eco-friendly alternative to traditional methods that often involve harmful chemicals. By eliminating the need for water and chemicals, lasers help reduce the environmental footprint of maintenance activities. This aligns with the broader goals of the renewable energy sector to promote sustainability and reduce carbon emissions. Stats on efficiency and impact. Studies have shown that the use of laser cleaning technology can increase the efficiency of solar panels by up to 20% and wind turbines by 15%. Additionally, the non-contact nature of laser cleaning significantly reduces wear and tear on the equipment, extending the lifespan of renewable energy installations. In the oil and gas sector, laser cutting and welding have reduced operational costs by 25% and improved safety by 30%. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your colleagues, and subscribe to our channel for more insights into cutting-edge technologies.